How to pass a meeting. And when I say a meeting, as an educator, I sat in a lot of professional development meetings. The nice thing is that all my bosses knew that I do pay attention when I'm drawing, and they don't mind me doodling while they're presenting material. It sometimes is rude and it looks like you're being disrespectful, but I sit there with my tablet or I sit there with a piece of paper and I'm always doodling and I'm always paying attention. It's just the way I think. And so this was a drawing of a polar bear that I drew sitting in a meeting that was a professional development meeting that was 4 hours long, and so I sat there and started to draw, and I gave you the template again for this one so you can go make your own doodle polar bear, and I showed you some other examples from other meetings that I was at, and so you'll find some of these are different styles, but they're all fun to do, and it's just a lot of playing. The last one that talks about it's a Highland dancer. I was commissioned to do this one as an award for a dance competition that was going on, and you can take a look at this piece of work. It's kind of cool, and it's got a whole pile of stuff hidden in the background in the doodles. So I hope you enjoy this section and doodle, and you'll find that it just calms you down. Anytime I'm stressed, get out a pen and a piece of paper and do some doodling. Now I pull out my phone or pull out my tablet and do some drawing. It'll calm you down. Thank you for watching the Drawing Digitally video. Don't forget to comment, suggest, and subscribe.